I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. I know it's nothing new, but it's so
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a decorate with me video. I'm going to decorate my breakfast area in the French Provincial way. I hope you enjoy. Now, my inspiration come from this display cabinet that I got from 1825 Interiors. Now, I absolutely love it, but it used to frustrate me that you couldn't see the decor inside. I thought about taking off the doors, guys, but it's too nice a piece and cost me a fortune. So I definitely wanted to keep the piece the same without having to repaint or anything like that. After searching Pinterest on French Provincial cabinets, I came up with the ideas to add some curtains inside. So I went to Spotlight and I picked up these beautiful baby blue curtains. They were on clearance for just $8. I also picked up this stretch wire kit. Now what I'm doing here is I open the door, and what I'm going to do is just cut the wire to size at the top and the bottom of the door. Now, it actually comes with a little kit of hooks, so you can place them either end of the wire as well as inside the door. So basically it's going to hook onto the little round ones that I'll put inside the door. Now, my curtains were tab top curtains, so what I did is I cut them off, and I'm just showing you here on the side that I removed some of the threading so I can get the wire through. Here I'm just measuring it inside the door, and then I laid it down on my table and cut it to the size of the door. Now, your girl Chelle is no sewer, so all I'm going to do here, guys, is hot glue a little hem at the bottom. Now, I wanted to add a decorative touch to my cabinet as well, and I had this beautiful wall art that I got from TK Maxx a few years ago. Now, if you remember, I had it above my television, but then I had an aha moment, guys. I took it down and voila, it actually fit the exact space. So now is the absolute fun part in decorating the space, and I wanted to share with you guys the most adorable little purchase I recently got from Amazon. Now, if you follow the channel Traditions by the Seasons, my beautiful friend Liz has the most amazing channel, guys. I tell her all the time that I could watch her decorate all day. She gives me so much inspiration, and she happened to share these little fake cupcakes. Now, I noticed they were from Amazon, and I was so excited that they would ship to Australia. Now, you'll notice here that they're actually magnets, guys. They actually join together. But I placed them out on my little cake stand and forgot about them for the rest of the day. And hubby come home from work, and I wasn't really watching what he was doing, but he walked in the house and attempted to eat one. So they are that lifelike, guys. And of course I was like, oh my goodness, no, they're not real. And anyone that knows me knows that I do not cook in this house. So I don't know why he actually thought that I could actually bake something so beautiful, but these are so adorable, and I will leave Liz's channel as well as the link to Amazon down below. Now I'm going to start by decorating my breakfast table, and I had these two adorable leopard print mugs that I recently picked up from the base warehouse, and I'm just going to add my little fake toppings which are from Etsy.
You agree, this is not the way it is supposed to feel. Oh, and I can see, there are different paths laid out for you and me. 'Cause baby, I'm a true believer.
I then added the adorable little Chanel teapot, as well as the cups and saucers from my Chanel tea set.
Myself to love.
These adorable polka dot little forks, and I placed them inside one of the cups. I also had the matching cake knife, which I placed in front of the cups. Now I wanted to add a pretty throw over one of my chairs, and I recently picked up this beautiful leopard print throw which is from Pink Lily, and I just think it is so stunning, guys. Now, sticking with the French Provincial theme, I had this beautiful bakery sign, which is from Eureka Street Furniture, and I'm going to place that next to the cabinet. I also placed at the bottom this cute little table, also from 1825 Interiors, and I added a ginger jar with some flowers, as well as my little DIY Chanel paddle. Now, on my barn doors, I wanted to place these really pretty wreaths. Now, I picked up these wreaths from Target last year, but I do know they're still in store. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves to share inspirational ideas when it comes to decorating my home. I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. Guys, I absolutely adore the French Provincial style. I'm really drawn to it. I love sharing combinations of glam decorating because I feel that French Provincial has a very glam feel about it, and it goes perfect in my home.
Look at me now and say that there is no turning back, and maybe we should take it slow, but I won't go unless you want me
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up as it really helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can, and I'd love if you would hit that subscribe button to become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.